Meaning of horrifying.
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 Horrifying. The word horrifying is an adjective that describes something that causes extreme fear, shock, or disgust. It can refer to anything from a gruesome scene in a horror movie to a real-life event that is deeply disturbing. When something is horrifying, it can leave a lasting impression that is difficult to shake off. The intensity of the emotion it evokes can vary greatly, but it is always associated with a feeling of terror or dread. Ultimately, anything that is described as horrifying is something that should be approached with caution and care.